Kids often engage in games and activities that require them to stack things up. In fact, one of the first activities we do with toddlers is build a tower with blocks. Stacking simply means to place objects on top of each other. Stacking is something that we adults do every day without much thought. We stack plates, fold and stack our clothes, etc. But when kids are playing, they explore the stacking properties like texture, balance, etc. of the materials to see how they stack up against each other. This activity can easily be done with help of steel or plastic glasses and bowls, wooden blocks, empty tin cans, plastic containers or cardboard boxes, broad books or cushions, cardboard pieces from games or puzzles, and biscuits can be used for stacking. Before starting this activity, let's understand some facts about stacking or how it is important. Stacking might look a very simple task, but it's actually teaching your child tons of valuable developmental skills. We all know that stacking is a good technique to develop a child's fine motor, gross motor, and eye-hand coordination. Let's see how else this activity helps your child. Stacking also develops pincer grip. This is when the child holds an object between his thumb and index finger. So in this case, if a child holds an object like this and tries to stack it up, he is developing his pincer grip. This grip offers more control to the child than holding an object in between one's palm. Stacking also enhances cognitive development. This simply means that when a child is engrossed in this activity, he or she is using his thinking skills, his decision-making skills, his reasoning skills, and his observation skills. Stacking of objects also improves creativity. Initially, children learn to make patterns which they have already learned. But through exploration, trial and error method, and observation, they learn to make patterns of their own. It is a fun way to learn about shape, size, color, and sequence. Cup stacking also improves social interaction and communication. Playing together to achieve a common goal helps a child to communicate better and to develop a more stronger bond of friendship. Cup stacking is really useful in language development. Children learn a lot from the mistakes and also through opportunities to explore. When you hold back and wait rather than dive in and help a child to build a tower, then you are giving them a fantastic opportunity to use some words like, "Oh, it's so tall." "Can you help me?" "Please help," etc. Through this cup stacking activity, children learn an important lesson of resilience and about figuring out something that's tricky and trying again even if it doesn't go according to the plan. Now parents, enjoy this beautiful activity with your child.